Meaning of fizzle.
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 Fizzle. Fizzle refers to something that fails or ends without making much of an impact. The term is often used to describe a situation where excitement or anticipation quickly fades away due to the lack of a significant outcome. When something fizzles, it may start off with a lot of promise or potential but then fails to deliver in a meaningful way. The result is usually disappointment or disillusionment, as expectations are not met. Overall, a fizzle is a lackluster or anticlimactic event that fails to live up to its initial promise.